What's the meaning of centralization? Centralization. Centralization.
Centralization. Centralization. Centralization refers to the concentration of power or control in a single central authority or entity. This can occur in various contexts such as politics, economics, and social structures. The result of centralization is that decision-making and resource allocation become increasingly centralized, with a reduced level of autonomy among those outside the central authority. This may lead to a lack of diversity and creativity, as well as potential problems with corruption or abuse of power. Additionally, it can limit opportunities for innovation and progress outside of the centralized system.